Are you looking to make your videos more vibrant on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? Changing the color effect is an easy way to give your footage a unique look. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color effect on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, turn on your camera, then make sure you're in video mode, not photo or slow-mo. Next, swipe left to open the camera settings menu. In the top right corner, tap the icon that says Pro. The icon will turn yellow when activated. Here you will see the color option under the white balance. Tap on it to cycle between normal, HLG, and D-Log M. Normal is the default setting. The camera records video with standard contrast, saturation, and color. It's a Rec.709 profile, which is great for a finished look straight out of the camera. It's best for users who don't want to do any color grading. D-Log M is a flat or log profile. It's designed to capture a much wider dynamic range, which preserves more detail in the highlights and shadows. This is the ideal choice for filmmakers and creators who want to create a specific cinematic look. HLG Hybrid Log Gamma is a high dynamic range HDR profile. It also captures a wide range of color and brightness, but unlike D-Log M, it's designed to look good on HDR compatible displays without needing extensive color grading. So, use D-Log M if you'll color grade later, but if you don't want to edit, then use normal. And that's all for today. See you in another video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and take care.